What's the meaning of barking? Barking. Barking.
Barking. Barking. Barking refers to the sound made by a dog or other animal as a form of vocalization. It can serve as a warning or an indication of aggressive behavior, but it can also simply be a way for the animal to communicate. Barking may be used to alert their owners to potential dangers or to express excitement or anxiety. Different types of barks can indicate different emotions or intentions, such as a playful bark versus a defensive one. In some cases, excessive barking can be a problem, leading to complaints from neighbors or even legal action. Proper training and positive reinforcement can help reduce excessive barking in dogs.